Welcome back to another video of Minnesota is rust. Okay, very rusty, and sometimes American. Depends on the day. No, that road's you know, we went down in the MSRP. Live on dirt road again. Sad day. So, we have a custom Minnesota's Rust push bar, hitch mounted back push bar, whatever. You know, for one of the many shop Suburbans, you could say, to work on a nicer Suburban. Those wheels are just rollers. All four are bent, two are bad. So, we're working on it. It's that, so that is welded to that, and that plugs into like a receiver, so you can push something in reverse, which isn't the best idea usually, it would seem like. Don't have a front mounted receiver yet on this thing, which I would like to put on here sooner than later. As well as, so this is just welded onto one of our many hitches. Debated about using this one, but you know, she's got a little, she's a little off camber, you could say. Got a nice twist in it. Somebody was using a propane tank trailer to move logs, that was Grandpa, and went off of a stump on one of the wheels and it twisted everything. Ball stayed in, surprisingly, but it bent the hitch. Yeah. So we're gonna build it. So this is whatever 3-inch square tube or 2.5 or whatever it is. This is normal, just 2-inch receiver. Some of that, some rusty angle iron. It's pretty bad, but it works just fine for something like this. Doesn't need a ton of strength. And then we'll weld all the way across the faces, weld in the insides on the angle iron, and then use something to run down from the inside of that to the back of this hitch up there to tie everything in together. And then build a tire hook, most likely. So we can slap this high performance, you know, she's a General XP 2002. You know, you gotta put the white letters in, you know. If you want to see the pinnacle of 90s this, that, and the other thing.
OBS life?
Especially, you know, you got the fiberglass body kit. It's definitely an SS350. You never know, we need the chicken chasers and the visor. Oh, can't forget the billet grill and the bumper guards. You know, I got a matching set to those. We could run 4 across the front. Ready for anything. 88,000.
Original. Still has the plastic.
Buckle up.
Take a look. Factory plastic on the carpet.
You know, we have some ant issues here and there for some reason. They keep on hiding in all the plastic pieces around the back. Okay. We'll fix it. Oh, hey. You'll see some more of this later. It's scary. It's scary.
When you need to push something in the shop but aren't sure how to do it, never forget, Minnesota is Rust presents custom push bumper. We're gonna call this the XP 2000. Tires live forever here in Minnesota. Minnesota's Rust. Bumper Tire Pusher XP2000 test number 1. Can the Suburban push the wounded Chrysler van? Okay, make sure all those brakes are seized up. So go forward for a second. Put it in 4-wheel drive. Go forward a little bit. Okay, try it again. Almost. Six inches. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Will it move? Okay. It moved 3 inches. We'll take that as a victory. As you can see, no damage where there already was some, but no damage there. No damage there. Tire definitely flattens out. So maybe a bigger, stiffer tire, but she works. Minnesota's rust. XP Tire Pusher, or XP2000 Tire Pusher test number 2, go. Oh! Oh yeah, that works good. Never forget, Minnesota test pushing is rust.